Stuck in a lunch rut? Let's fix that with 6 easy and delish bento ideas. Let's make an Onigirazu bento. 90 grams of rice. Wash the rice and drain it. Add 120 grams of water to the rinsed rice. Half tablespoon of sake for cooking delicious rice. It's optional. Mix well and then cook the rice. Half teaspoon grated ginger. Half tablespoon sake. 1 teaspoon mirin. Half tablespoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix well. $50 grams thinly sliced pork loin. Mix well. $50 carrot. Julienne the carrots. Medium heat. Half teaspoon vegetable oil. Heat the pan well. One egg. Make a fried egg. Cook on both sides. Half teaspoon vegetable oil. Heat the pan well. Add the julienne carrots. A dash of salt and pepper. Half teaspoon vegetable oil. Heat the pan well. Add the seasoned pork. Next, make onigirazu. Spread a thin layer of cooked rice on the bottom of a suitable square container. Place a suitable amount of lettuce on top. Place a fried egg on top. Shape the fried egg into a square using kitchen scissors or similar. Place 30 grams of imitation crab meat on top. Finally, spread another thin layer of rice on top. 1 large sheet nori. Place the filling on the nori and wrap. Wrap with plastic wrap and press into a square by hand. Make another onigirazu in the same way. Spread the cooked julienne carrot on top of the rice layer. Place the cooked pork on top. Place lettuce on top, then add more rice. Shape the onigirazu as before. Cut each onigirazu in half. Tuck into a bento box and it's ready. Onigirazu bento. Let's make a yakitori bento. First, make the yakitori sauce. 1 tablespoon sugar. 2 tablespoon mirin. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Mix well. 30g Shiso peppers or green bell pepper. Remove the stems and make a slit in the body. $200g chicken thigh. Square the chicken. Two eggs. Half teaspoon sugar. Beat the eggs. Medium heat. Half teaspoon vegetable oil. Heat the pan well. Add the beaten eggs. Make rolled egg omelette. Any shape is fine. Half teaspoon vegetable oil. Heat the pan well. Cook the squared chicken in a fry pan. You can also grill it over charcoal. Also cook the Shiso peppers. Once cooked through to some extent, add the pre-made sauce. Remove once cooked through. Have the cooked raw egg omelette. Arrange in a bento box with rice. First, place the cooked chicken. Add the cooked Shiso peppers and brush the remaining sauce over the chicken. Add the cut raw egg omelette. Add your favorite pickles such as red pickle ginger, Yakitori Bento. Let's make a salmon asparagus bento. 90g asparagus. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Next, make the sauce. Half teaspoon sugar. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon ketchup. 1 teaspoon sake. 1 gram katsuobushi, dried bonito flakes. Mix well. Medium heat. Half teaspoon vegetable oil. Heat the pan well. Add the cut asparagus. Add the pre-made sauce. Saute until cooked through. Next, cook the salmon using your preferred method. This time I will try cooking it in a fry pan using parchment paper. 1 salmon fillet. 1 teaspoon sake. It's optional. Make sure cook on low heat. Cook one side for 4 minutes. Flip and cook the other side for 4 minutes. Arrange in a bento box with rice. Place the cooked salmon. Serve with the salted asparagus. Adding your favorite pickles or similar is also recommended. Salmon and asparagus bento. Let's make a karaage chicken bento. 50 grams spinach. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Next, season the chicken. 1 teaspoon curry powder. 1/4 teaspoon consomme or your preferred bouillon or stock. 1 teaspoon sake. 1/2 teaspoon soy sauce. 1/2 teaspoon oyster sauce. 1/2 teaspoon ketchup. A pinch of salt. Mix well. $100 grams of chicken thigh. Marinate well with the sauce. Boil the cut spinach. Drain the boiled spinach. 1/2 tablespoon ground sesame seeds. 1/2 teaspoon sugar. A pinch of salt. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. A dash of ajinomoto. Mix well. Next, make karaage chicken. 2 tablespoon potato starch. Coat the seasoned chicken well with potato starch. Suitable amount of frying oil. Shallow frying or deep frying is fine. Fry both sides for 2 minutes each at about 170 to 180 degrees Celsius. Arrange in a bento box with rice. Place the karaage chicken on top of the rice. Add the seasoned spinach. Serve with your favorite pickles. It's optional. Karaage chicken bento. Let's make an Omu-Rice Bento. 30 grams of onion. Chop into a fine dice. $30 grams of carrot. Chop into a fine dice. $60 grams of chicken thigh. Cut into bite-sized pieces. One egg. A pinch of salt. 2 teaspoons of milk. Beat the egg. Next, make the sauce. 2 tablespoons of ketchup. 1 teaspoon of sake. 1/2 teaspoon of soy sauce. 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. 1/3 teaspoon of consomme. Mix well. Medium heat. 1/2 teaspoon vegetable oil. Heat the pan well. Pour the beaten egg into the pan and make a thin omelette. Half teaspoon vegetable oil. Heat the pan well. Add the minced onion. Add the minced carrot. Add the cut chicken. A dash of salt and pepper. Add the pre-made sauce. Cook it all the way through. Add the stir-fry ingredient to 200 grams of cooked rice. Mix well. You can put it directly into the bento box, but if you use plastic wrap, you can plate it nicely. Once you've wrapped the mixed rice with the thin omelette, flip it over. When you remove the wrap, you can plate it neatly in the bento box. Top the Omu-Rice with ketchup. Garnish with something like dry parsley. Omu-Rice Bento. Let's make shiso and cheese pork cutlet bento. 2 thin pork loin slices. 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise. Spread it over the surface of the pork. Put 3 tablespoons of panko into the fry pan. Add a thinly sliced pork loin. Then place a shiso leaf on each one. Place your favorite sliced cheese on top. Fold it in half. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Cook on medium heat for 2 minutes on each side. Next, make broccoli namuru. 60 grams of broccoli. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Heat in the microwave. 1 minute at 500 watt, 30 seconds at 1000 watt. A pinch of salt. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. 1/3 teaspoon of grated garlic. A pinch of ajinomoto. Mix well. Arrange in a bento box with rice. Place the pork loin cutlet on top of the rice. Top with broccoli namuru. Sprinkle furikake if desired. Pour a sauce over the cutlet. Bulldog tonkatsu sauce is recommended. Sprinkle with white sesame seeds. Shiso and cheese pork cutlet bento. Enjoy!